It's June 19th, 2022. I'm going to start the updates with harvest. This is the harvest I did today from the sweet pea. And here are the broccolini flowers, a little too old, but yeah, I'm going to still harvest them today. And here is the harvest I did today for the broccolini. And this is the second peony flower. It's also a bit dried up. I'm gonna harvest this one today. The petals are kind of falling apart too. And yeah, this is the second peony flower that I harvested. And here's the shishito pepper. Here's pepper forming from the flower. A lot more flowers are opening. And right here you can see a pepper forming. This is going to be probably the first pepper harvested. This is the jalapeño. You can see flowers also forming. Here's the cuban pepper. Also flowers forming. This one is probably going to open soon. And over here you can see the tomato plant is getting really big. A lot more of the flowers are also opening. Here's another set of flowers. A lot of flowers from pea as well, and more pea pods forming. These can be harvested probably soon too. And over here is the wildflower pot. The lacy phacelia flowers are still forming. And here's this one, is the sweet alyssum. You can see the flowers are already opening. This one, I think it's called the desert bell. You can also see flowers forming. I clean up the winter spring bulbs and put them onto the shelf. At the same time, I also take out the calla lily, and I'm not seeing any sprouts. Usually they should be sprouting by now. Same goes with the dahlia. I think they're all dead. Rosemary, it's definitely not going to make it. Here's the peony. Remember me showing you a few smaller flowers from the plant? And these are what they look like right now. For some reason they just didn't develop fully and just dried up. And here's the lavender. Looks like the flowers have started to open. Yeah, looks really nice.